What are the next three terms in the sequence? All right, so here's our sequence. We go from -6 to -3 to 0 to 3. Well, the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out how it's getting from one number to the other. It either needs to have a common ratio or a common difference. So I'm going to check both. I always like to start with the common difference first. Remember, difference in math means subtract. We start with the back number and we subtract the next number. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Now I'm going to keep doing that pattern to see if they have a common answer. So now I'm going to do 0 minus a -3. Minus a negative makes a positive, so this is also 3. Now I'm going to do -3 minus -6. And if you look at this and you're like, wow, I don't know how to do -3 minus -6, head over to your calculator and type in -3 minus -6, and it'll tell you that it is a +3. So this does have a common difference because all of our answers when we subtract are the same. So our common difference here is 3. And what that tells you, and some of you could have looked at this and just figured that out right away, what that tells you is every time you are adding 3 to get to the next number, right? -3 plus 3 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So if we want to find the next three terms, we just have to keep adding 3. So our last term was 3. I'm going to add 3 to it to get 6. That's my next term. And then I'm going to take 6 and add 3 to it to get 9. And then I'm going to take 9 and add 3 to it to get 12. So these are our next three terms. So in order to do a problem like this, you either find the common difference or the common ratio, and then you keep doing it 3 more times.